Hi kids, we are back with a new show titled A Boastful Parrot. There lived a parrot in the forest. The parrot felt proud of her voice and beauty. The parrot befriends a crow in that forest. The parrot often teases the crow with its look and voice. The crow felt offended but never replied back. The parrot has never felt the crow's pain. One day, a hunter got attracted to the parrot's voice. The hunter took the parrot to his house. He trained her to talk and fed her with fresh fruits. The parrot enjoyed being treated by the hunter. The hunter would sing like a crow every morning and would wait with a bowl of food to feed the crow. The hunter and the parrot will have their meal only after the crow finished eating the food given by him. The parrot felt surprised and realized her mistake. So, kids, never be boastful. It will always drag you down.